banana milk. Some people wrote in on it. I'm gonna make it the way my mother used to make it. This is 1 cup of milk, whole milk. When I used to make this for myself, I used half and half. Wisconsin maple syrup from up north, 2 teaspoons. 1 ripe banana. You see how the banana isn't turning brown, but it's soft. That's when the fruit is at its peak and best flavor. A pinch of salt. The salt makes it so it doesn't taste flat, but it's just a pinch. So we're gonna turn this on. Now everybody says I should try my recipes on my videos to make sure it's good. Delicious. Now, if you can't do dairy, you can do almond milk. You can't do nuts, you can do oat milk. You can add banana liqueur for an adult, or you can do half milk, half water, which is a lot of recipes that I saw online, but personally I make it with half and half. So I use a cup of half and half, 1 banana, tablespoon of good maple syrup. You could use honey, you could use sugar, you can even use a sweetener if you want. But make sure the bananas are ripe. It's one of my favorite drinks, next to cucumber apple juice, which we'll be doing soon.